to Samothraki, a hidden gem in the northern Aegean Sea that feels like it's been untouched by time. If you're tired of overcrowded tourist destinations and craving a genuine connection with nature and history, this island is calling your name. Located in the northeastern Aegean, Samothraki is a small island that's part of the Vathres region in Thrace. There's no airport on the island, so you'll need to take a ferry. The main port for ferries to Samothraki is Alexandroupoli, which is easily accessible by train or flight from Athens or Thessaloniki. Once you arrive, you'll feel like you've stepped into another world. Samothraki is the kind of place that attracts a specific type of traveler: those who value tranquility, raw natural beauty, and authenticity. It's a paradise for free campers, hikers, and anyone looking to unplug and reconnect with the environment. One of the island's most intriguing aspects is its deep connection to ancient Greek mythology. Samothraki was home to the sanctuary of the great gods, one of the most important religious sites in antiquity. It was here that the famous mysteries of Samothrace took place, secret rituals that remain shrouded in mystery to this day. Legend has it that the gods of the sea and the underworld were worshipped here, and the island still carries a mystical energy that many visitors say they can feel. The famous winged victory of Samothrace statue, now housed in the Louvre, was discovered here, further cementing the island's historical significance. Samothraki is famous for its pristine nature, and the top attractions are its waterfalls, beaches, and hiking trails. Start with the Fonias River and its stunning waterfalls. The most famous is the Fonias waterfall, which cascades into natural pools called Vathres. These pools are perfect for a refreshing swim, surrounded by lush greenery and towering cliffs. For beach lovers, Samothraki offers a mix of sandy shores and rugged, wild coastlines. Pachia Ammos is the island's most famous beach, with golden sand and crystal-clear waters. It's easily accessible by car or bus from Kamariotisa. If you're up for an adventure, head to Vatos Beach, which is only accessible by boat or a challenging hike. This secluded paradise is worth the effort, offering peace and quiet far from the crowds. Another unique spot is Kipos Beach, known for its dramatic black pebbles and stunning views of Mount Saos, the island's highest peak. Speaking of Mount Saos, hiking enthusiasts will want to conquer this mountain, also known as Fengari, which means moon. According to legend, Poseidon watched the Trojan War from its summit. The hike is challenging but incredibly rewarding, with panoramic views of the Aegean Sea and the surrounding islands. For a dose of history and culture, visit the ancient sanctuary of the great gods near the village of Paleopoli. This archaeological site is a must-see, offering a glimpse into the island's storied past. Don't miss the chance to visit the village of Chora, the island's capital. Perched on a hill, Chora is a picturesque maze of narrow streets, traditional stone houses, and cozy tavernas. It's the perfect place to enjoy a meal of local specialties like goat stew, fresh fish, and wild greens. Samothraki is also known for its natural hot springs, located in the village of Therma. The thermal baths here have been used for centuries and are said to have healing properties. Whether you're looking to relax or rejuvenate, a visit to the hot springs is a must. Samothraki is more than just a destination. It's an experience. It's a place where you can escape the noise of modern life, connect with nature, and feel the echoes of ancient history. Whether you're swimming in a waterfall, hiking to a mountaintop, or simply watching the stars from a quiet beach, this island will leave you with memories that last a lifetime. Kalo Taxiidi.